Hi everyone, it's Nicole and I'm here with another color with me, and this time we're using CC Designs Reindeer, and buckle up, she is a cutie patootie. And now that Halloween is over, I am full on a Christmas mood. So now I want to color all the images that are Christmas, because every year I typically try to get a December daily, the one that Ali Edwards is so famous for, or Document December, whatever you want to call it. And this year will be no different. Now, the last few years, I've taken all the pictures and I have probably about half the albums done. So this year, I am going to try and be better at that. So hopefully, we can start on that. I won't say now, but I'm hoping in a couple of weeks I can start on the December daily. And by the way, I'm going to start doing the lives again. They're going to be every Thursday at 1 o'clock. So this Thursday, whatever day that's going to be, we're Monday. So Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So 3 days. So the 7th of November at 1 o'clock, we're going to have a live. And I'm going to do them on Thursdays because on Fridays, a lot of times we have hockey tournaments, like whether they're in town or wherever, but then I would always have to cancel them. So I'd rather do it on Thursday, and then we'll be more consistent with it. Okay, so now let's talk about the colors that I use, the Copic colors. So the face, I use E00, E11, and R20. The hair, I use Y21, Y31, and E35. Her costume is E41, 42, and 43, and 44, all E's. Then the belly is E30 and E31. The nose and bow is R32, 35, and 37, all R's. And then the bell is C1 and C3. And this one, I have to say, she was so fun to color. And I could see that I'm going to want to color maybe a couple more, so that I can use them in my December daily. If I put this image at the beginning of December and then I put another one at the end, it's not that big of a deal. But I have quite a few CC Design stamp sets, and there's quite a few of them that are Christmas. So I can't wait. In the next few weeks, I'm going to be coloring all the images that are Christmas. I wouldn't say I'm in the Christmas mood yet, but I'm definitely in the mood to color things that are related to Christmas. And just to let you know, our original store at NicoleJones91.com, our original store is now closed. And our new store should be opening this week, at the end of the week. And it won't have all the digital prints or products right at the beginning. All the classes are going to be there. And I think he's up to about 500 right now that he's uploaded. But we have close to 3,000 digital prints. Can you believe that? 3,000. And he's doing a really good job at putting them all together. So in the old store, let's say if you went to Viewfinders, then you had to go somewhere else to find the different sizes. Now when you go to Viewfinders, the 2-inch, the 1.5-inch, like everything is just a click of a button to change the size. So I think it's going to be really good. Plus, we're launching our physical products. And what that means is I'm still using his artwork and I'm doing physical products with it. So at first, we're just going to have like die cuts, large die cuts, stickers, and flares, but I plan on expanding on that after Christmas. So be aware of that. And it's still going to be NicoleJones91.com. It's just right now it's not active. So now let's talk about what colors I used for the Ohuhu markers. So for the face, I used R18, R19, and R20. For the hair, I used Y3, Y1, and YR1. For the costume, I used GY173, Y11, and E220. And for the belly, I used Y GY173 and YG01. And the nose and bow, I use R1 and R3. And the bell, I use CG00 and GG1. Now, I have to tell you, I've mentioned a few times that I went and got the color chart off the Ohuhu site, and I colored, the colors that I had in. I did all that, but I wasn't using the sheets. And the last few weeks, I have been using the sheets, and it makes it so much easier because the end of the marker, like the color dot that they put on there, it's not very accurate, if you will. So if you do the sheet, it's going to help tremendously to find colors that you can use to blend together. And I'm so happy, one, that because I'm spending so much time, starting back, I think it was like in probably April or May, I started cleaning out my craft room. And the first little bit was a clean out. I cleaned every single area, where in the past I would clean my desk and then I'd be like, okay, I'm over it. But this time I took and I divided my room, like mentally, into 9 or 10 areas, and then I would spend an hour and a half to 2 hours a week cleaning that area. And because I did that, I cleaned up where I color now, and now I use my Copic markers every week and my Ohuhu markers. And to tell you the truth, I forgot that I had those because I wasn't even keeping them upstairs. I think when they came in, I just took them out of the package and I put them in one of my containers downstairs in my bedroom, and I'm like, I was looking into the Ohuhu markers, and then I did a search and I'm like, oh my gosh, I bought like a huge package. And then I start looking for it, and there it was. So I'm so happy that I went through all of that, and now I'm coloring all these cuties. And another thing that I really enjoy is that I took a dot journal and I'm keeping the colored images in there. And I can't tell you how many times that I just flip through it just to look at the images because they're just so cute. And then now when I'm making a page, ding, 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 I think of this and I go get, one of the characters and I put it in a page kit, or I put it directly on a page. So my tip would be just start. I found, some images that I colored a few years ago, and oh my gosh, they were terrible. I thought they were pretty cute then. And I mean, it's not that great now, but I'm getting better. But that's it. That's going to complete it for today. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit subscribe. If you're enjoying these videos, if you wouldn't mind, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and I want to thank you so much for watching. Bye.